Okay, today we're going to show you the quickest and easiest way to set up a Disney Plus group watch. If you don't know what this is basically a new feature from Disney Plus that allows you and 6 other friends to share and watch a movie or TV show and chat while you're watching it. All need to be Disney Plus subscribers. When you see information out there on this group watch feature, it may sound a little complicated, but it's really simple, and I'm going to desimplify it for you here quickly. One of the key points here is you need to set up this group watch on a mobile app. So use your iPhone or your Android phone, go in there and set up the group watch. I'll show you in a second, and then you can go watch it on any device you want. Okay, so go on your mobile phone, choose the Disney Plus app, go in there and find a movie that you want to create a group watch with, and then when the movie comes up, you want to select the group watch symbol there, and then go in and click on invite, and just invite anybody you want. And now you can go back onto your device, whatever it is, your Fire Stick, Roku, in this case it's a Fire Stick, choose the movie, and you'll see there when it comes up, it'll say a group watch is in progress, join now. You can just hit that symbol and start the party. That's our video for today. As always, thank you very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.